Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mailchimp for dropshipping email campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, create a Mailchimp account if you don't have one already. Visit the Mailchimp website and click on Sign Up Free. Fill in your email, choose a username, and create a password. Check your email for the verification link and click on it to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, log in to Mailchimp. From the dashboard, click on the Audience tab. If prompted, create a new audience by following the provided instructions. Fill in the required details such as audience name and default sender information. Next, set your audience settings according to your dropshipping needs. Now, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left side of your dashboard. Click on Create Campaign to start a new email campaign. Select email from the list of campaign types. Choose whether you want to create a regular email, automated email, or another type. Next, name your campaign and click on Begin. Add recipients by selecting your audience from the drop-down menu. Personalize your email with the To and From sections. In the subject line, write a catchy subject that will entice your audience. Click Design Email to customize the email layout. Choose a template that suits your brand style. Once the template loads, add your content, including images and text about your dropshipping products. Integrate product links that redirect customers to your online store. Make sure to include clear calls to action to encourage your audience to click. After designing your email, click Preview and Test to see how it looks. Send a test email to yourself to check for any errors or adjustments needed. When satisfied, return to the campaign overview screen. Click on Schedule if you want to send the email later or send it immediately. Monitor the campaign performance by checking the analytics in the Reports section. Keep track of open rates, click rates, and conversions. Use this data to improve future email campaigns. Repeat the process as needed to maintain engagement with your audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.